Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang, salam sejahtera. My name is Agung Wahyudi, and I would like to presentation about our paper. The title is Time of Concentration Estimated Using Some Methods and Application in the Ciliwung Watershed, Jakarta. Introduction. Rainfall and high river water discharge in the upstream are indicators of the possibility of flooding in the downstream area. Various efforts have been made by stakeholders to calculate the time of arrival of water from upstream to downstream so that people affected by floods can immediately prepare themselves or carry out evacuations. Calculation of the design flood discharge can help interested parties to carry out flood control. One of the design flood discharge calculation method use the Nakayasu synthetic unit hydrograph method, and the calculation of the design flood discharge can be an economical reference for estimating the water level and the estimate flood area in the future. The purpose of this study is to analyze the estimate concentration time using some methods and applications of HECRAS in the Ciliwung Watershed, Jakarta. Of a few reference, Akbar Baskara investigated the plan of flood discharge in the Parangjobo watershed using the HSS Nakayasu and HSS Soil Conservation Service methods. The return period is up to 200 years, and Ishadi et al. Used a kinematic method based on a geographic information system in Sangkrah village, Surakarta. The time of concentration with use three methods, that is time travel, method speed, and method Kirpich. Yeah. The time travel methods and the velocity methods and Kirpich methods, this is the formula. The study used quantity methods by using the calculation of flood discharge analysis, rainfall intensity, and flood arrival time. The calculation of flood discharge is used to estimate the occurrence of floods in the future, as well as inundation that might occur in the affected area. The calculation of the intensity of rains is used to estimate the time of the arrival of the flood. Flood arrival time method used in the study are the time travel method, the velocity method, Kirpich method, and the utilizes HEC-RS software. The variable in the study are area in meter square, the time arrived flood, water level, prediction flood, and flood discharge design calculated with the use of Nakayasu method. Result and discussion. Concentration time, or TC, can also call time arrived flood until moment this amount of quality empirical available for use as formula in calculation concentration time. And this is the figure 1 about the Nakayasu method design flood hydrograph. Based on figure 1, the flood discharge plan have marked a big increase. This thing show that future will appear flood discharge that occurred in MT Haryono region, Jakarta, will the more big and inundated, increasingly wet area. Such prediction this can use for map region inundation so can minimize impact flooding in the community in the future come. And this is the travel time from Katulampa, Bogor to MT Haryono, Jakarta, Indonesia, using the time travel method. Yeah. From the time travel method, we can get the duration from Katulampa to MT Haryono, Jakarta is 12 hours 32 minutes. Yeah. And this is the duration time from Katulampa to MT Haryono. using with velocity method. Yeah. From velocity method, we can get duration is 12,31 hours. And then this is the time travel from Katulampa, Bogor to MT Haryono, Jakarta using the Kirpich method. Yeah. From Kirpich method, we can get time of konsentrasi Katulampa to MT Haryono, Jakarta is 12.56 hours. And this is the flood map shown in the figure 2 and figure 3 of a flood velocity prediction map created using HEC-RAS software for 2 and 25 years return period. The use of HEC-RAS application can predict flood depth, water flow velocity, and flood arrival time at 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50 years return periods. And then this is the table 4 for describe about the flood discharge and time concentration at MT Haryono area, Ciliwung River, using HEC-RAS application. Yeah. Based on result testing use HEC-RAS application is known that on period time 2 years, come flood still 40 hours, 35 minutes with maximum level depth of 4.02 meters with area inundation reach 0.315 kilometer square. When see result prediction of the next 10 years, you'll see moment that arrive flood and more heavy with increased depth, so also speed water flow and wide resulting inundation. On 50 return period, time flood now up to 12 hours with level depth maximum reach 5.15 meters. Water discharge reach speed 3.72 meter per second and area of inundation reach 0.483 kilometer square. Conclusion. Result study showed that with use method, Nakayasu could estimate among the flood discharge future plans comes. Result study showed that result close discharge design use Nakayasu method for key 2, key 5, key 10, key 12, and Q50. Time arrived flood with use time travel method Katulampa to MT Haryono is for 12 hours 32 minutes, while those using velocity method is for 12.31 hours, while with method Kirpich is for 12 hours 52 minutes. Time calculation are flood with utilities HEC-RAS application is for 14 hours. Based on the result of the calculation of the arrival time of the flood, the calculation result that are closest to the actual condition in the field are calculation using the Kirpich method, when the actual condition of the flood arrival time is in the range of 13 till 14 hours. And that's all about our presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.